Could Vivo's next flagship finally redefine mobile photography? Say hello to the X300 series, a smartphone rumored to outshine last year's X200 Ultra in almost every way. Vivo is gearing up for the launch of the X300 and X300 Pro next month. And this time, the devices won't just impress, they'll transform how you capture the world. First-party camera kit accessories make a comeback, promising zoom levels and low-light performance that could leave competitors scrambling. Under the hood, the X300 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powering this powerhouse is the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, all packed in a sleek 7.99mm body. Sleek, fast, and ready for anything you throw at it. Camera enthusiasts, take note. The X300 Pro is rumored to sport a quad-camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel front camera, a 50-megapixel primary Sony LYT-828 sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a staggering 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HPB telephoto lens. That's right, 85mm equivalent focal length and enough power to transform every shot into a professional-grade photo. And Vivo isn't stopping there. The first-party camera kit accessories return, delivering a 200mm zoom, and for the X300 Pro, reportedly usable shots at 800mm, even in low light. Imagine getting that kind of reach without lugging around DSLR gear. While Xiaomi prepares its own Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro successors, Vivo is teasing just enough to get the tech world buzzing. The X300 series isn't just another upgrade, it's a statement in design, performance, and camera innovation. And with launch next month, the countdown has officially begun. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro could be the phones you've been waiting for. One question remains: will Vivo's bold claims live up to the hype? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch every update, hands-on leaks, and the full Vivo X300 launch coverage right here.